Background texture can quietly elevate a composition without competing for attention. Today, how to create textured speckle backgrounds. Start Photoshop and create a 2048 by 2048 canvas with a muted color fill like soft sage or warm gray. Add a new layer and fill it with white, then apply Filter, Noise, Add Noise at about 55% Gaussian monochromatic. Apply Gaussian blur around 0.7 pixels so the speckles soften. Change blend mode to multiply so texture merges with the base color. Reduce opacity to around 45% for subtlety. Duplicate the layer and rotate it slightly, lowering opacity